is overdue award because it's clearly what this update is. And it's an update for my Panzette Polish project, which has 4 categories: trying a new brand each update, trying to finish polishes entirely, trying an accessory related to some kind of beginner nail art, and trying to use up a nail care product. For this update, the brand I tried is Rimmel with the 60 second super shine line, and the color I have is Neon Fest. As you can see, I was able to paint 4 nails with one swipe. Granted, I should have swiped it because I clearly have too much product on my brush, especially for the first nail on my pinky, but I cleaned it afterwards. The color was bright as expected, but I always love a bright pink, so I liked it. And it really dried super fast as it claimed to do, which was the most important thing for me. And also with 2 coats, it wasn't too prone to chipping, so overall it was a good purchase. Since this update is super late, the finale will be in about 1 month, but I still want to try another brand for the finale, and this time it will be Maybelline with the Super Stay Nail Gel color in the shade Cherry Sin. And frankly, I chose this brand because it was available where I was shopping and I really liked the color. I think it's the darkest red I've ever had, but at the moment I'm very drawn to it, so I'm planning on using it as soon as possible. Now let's talk about the polishes I'm trying to finish. The first one being this one in the color Canal Saint-Martin, and I'm really happy to tell you that I have finished it, and it's about time because it's the first finished polish of the year. So it was really easy to finish it because it was nearly empty last update, and when I tried to use it one last time, it was really dry and disgusting, and so it was the last time I used it and it was totally done. And I don't know if you can see it, but the color has even changed in what's left on the sides of the bottle. Next I have this one from Essence in the color I Lilac You, and I didn't use it at all since the last update. After that, I have this bright blue from Sephora collection in the color Curacao, and I managed to finish it as well. I used it quite a bit because I used it 3 times on my fingernails and 3 times on my toenails, and there wasn't that much left in the bottle when I introduced it in this project, but still I have a second polish finished in this project, so I'm really happy about that. And the 4th polish is this one from Cure, and it's in the color Rose Milk. I've used it 6 times on my fingernails. I've used it 3 times with 3 coats, 1 time with 2 coats and 2 times with 1 coat. It's really easy to use, especially for work days, and I was able to make a new mark, but I haven't finished it. With the finale in only 1 month, I will have a very modest goal regarding finishing polishes, so I'm getting rid of these 2 that are not finished yet. And instead of my usual lineup, I will only try to finish 1 polish, and it's this one from Sephora collection in the color Moody Woman. I already worked on this one last year, and it's the one on my nails today. It's near the end of the bottle, so I think I might have a chance to finish it before the finale, so it will be the only polish in this category. And for the category accessory, we have this nail art pen in the color Silver Graffiti. I made 2 attempts to use it. 1 time on top of the pink polish because I like the mix of pink and silver, and 1 time on top of the blue polish because at the end of the bottle the blue polish wasn't that neat anyway, so it was a good contender to be drawn on. A lot come off when you push the pen to get the product, so you have a big drop of product on your nail. The best thing to do is to let the drop drip on a support of sort, and then to dip the pen on the drop to work with the right amount of product, so it's not really easy to use. It's not that precise, and I hadn't a ton of ideas of things to draw, and I am not that good of a drawer, so the results are pretty rough. I think the polka dots are my favorite thing, but I could have achieved that without this specific pen, so it's not really a success, and I think that I will most likely finish it by using it as a regular polish. One thing that was very handy though was that it was very easily wiped off when I didn't like fake what I made without damaging the polish underneath. And for the finale, I will try to use one last accessory, and it will be an easy one. It will be these half moon stickers that are usually used for French manicures, and I think my goal will only be to use them at least once, because once again, only 1 month before the finale. And now it's time to talk about the nail care product. I've used it 24 times on my fingernails and 2 times on my toenails. Of course, it's way more than the previous updates, but it's not that impressive considering how many months have passed since the last update. Of course, I'm gonna keep using it, but obviously I won't be able to finish it before the end of the year, let alone before the finale of this project, but I'm still glad to make some progress on this one. So that's it, these are the 2 shades I'm gonna use until the finale. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon, bye!
I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move